Want to add a new email address to your Facebook account? In this video, I'll show you how to add an email address to Facebook quickly and easily. So, let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Now tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. After that, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Account Center at the top. Now select Personal Details and then tap on Contact Info. Here, you'll see the option to add email address. Tap on it. Next, enter the new email address you want to add to your Facebook account. Make sure your Facebook profile is selected, then tap on Next. Facebook will now send a verification code to your email address. Open your email inbox, copy the verification code, and then return to the Facebook app. Enter the code in the verification box and tap on Confirm. Your new email address has now been added to your Facebook account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.